Hey there, it's Stephanie. We were talking in a previous blog post about what your headline, title tag, SEO title, the differences in all those terms. And I told you we'd come back and talk about other parts of metadata in your blog post. Specifically at the bottom of each blog post where you can go to edit in your Yoast SEO plugin area to go ahead and give your blog post a better title, a more SEO friendly title. We talked about that in the other lesson, in the other post. So there's a video on that, so you can go and watch that. But I'll just point out right here, the SEO title, if you want it to be different than your blog post title, is right here. This is where you come down here and edit that. Let's see. Okay, so by clicking edit snippet in this area, you will see that there is an area to edit your SEO title. So you can back out of these different little bubbles. It offers you sort of a sequence of ways to display your SEO title. I don't need any of that, so I went ahead and backed out. And here I'll go ahead and type in an SEO title to improve this one post that I had forgotten to change the title, and I think this might be just a little bit friendlier of a title, maybe when people are looking for saving money or budgeting on food bills each month. If they come across this on Google's front page, I think it's a more enticing title for them to click on than just the blog post title that I did have. So reduce your monthly food budget by $500 with one easy tip. I think that gets people's attention. That is why you might want to consider editing that snippet there for your blog post title. Here's my actual title up here. Do this one thing to save money on food and slash your monthly food budget. And again, down here in the Yoast SEO snippet preview area, you would click edit snippet. It opens up this nice box for SEO title. Okay, but on to the other piece of the puzzle here that this particular blog post is addressing is your meta description, otherwise known as your post snippet. Some people might call it a meta tag, so it does have a few names, just like that SEO title, blog title, that kind of thing that we talked about before. So down here in meta description, you would go ahead and type in an awesome description that's concise, to the point, and includes some keywords, because this is the first thing that your readers or an audience that are looking for these particular points in Google. If you show up on that Google search results page, this is the little paragraph they're going to see, or the first few sentences they'll see about your post, to figure out if they're going to want to click and read through more of what you have to say. So make this good. Some things to think about would be, it needs to be search engine friendly, which means, include some keywords, make sure it's on topic. Google wants to know that they're matching their searchers up with the perfect answer to their questions. Make it enticing for the person who's searching. Of course, include some keywords so that they'll know that your blog post is about what they're searching for. The amount of characters kind of varies, but if you want to stick to around 155 characters, you can go a little past that, but Google's constantly changing that guideline, so 155 isn't bad. If it gets cut off a little, it's not a big deal, but you're going to want to squeeze in your keywords and the most important elements into that first 155 characters. Be concise and relevant, on topic. Make sure it's saying exactly what your blog post is going to cover, and include a great call to action. Right here, I'm telling them, click to learn this one easy tip that will slash your food spending. Some of the best, most successful bloggers and websites include that call to action. Here I just typed something into Google real quick to show you what these SEO titles and meta descriptions look like on a search page, page 1 of Google. I typed in how to make money blogging, and I scrolled down here and was just kind of looking to see who did a good job of editing their SEO title to make it catch my eye, and also the meta description to entice me to click. And I really liked this one. How to Make Money Blogging, the $5.3 million case study. Now that really gets some attention. That's a very concise, very enticing, clickable title. And then it goes on to say a step-by-step guide for exactly how to make money blogging. There's their great key phrase there, keywords. Learn how to start a blog, grow its traffic, and replace the income from your day. And it got cut off. I would assume daily job is most likely next. But that's intriguing. I think I would be inclined to click on that one. This other one also I liked. I think it's Forbes. Okay, yep, it's Forbes. 25 ways to make money from your blog. So that's being pretty specific about what they're going to show you in that post. And that's a lot of ways to, that's enticing right there, showing you that there are 25 ways right off the bat to make money blogging. And down here, it describes it further. And also it says this post will help. So if I'm looking for ways to make money blogging, they're assuring me that this post is a great one to read. So that's another sort of call to action. So I think that's a great way to make sure. It's kind of a little known trick. I think most people don't think about including that call to action in that post snippet. I think it's always a good idea. So, okay, I hope that helps. This whole area here is sort of referred to as your metadata area. It's just extra information in HTML code about each blog post or web page. It shows search engines what your page is about, helps them to index it better, and you can do a whole lot with this area to advance your chances of getting some Google attention by making sure these are clickable titles, clickable meta descriptions, and using great keywords. So hope that helps, and we'll talk next time. Thanks.